So today I've got my folding bike and I'm going to bike on the Gordon's Pond Trail in Cape Henlopen State Park. We're going to go from the Rehoboth side over to the Lewes side and stop and look at Herring Point. So it feels so good to be out here on my bike today. I'm on my folding bike, so just drove down to the park, took it out, set it up, checked the air in the tires, and I'm good to go. So we're in the Gordon's Pond section, which is kind of like a separate section of Cape Henlopen State Park. They do charge an admission fee to get in here. I have the Delaware State Parks Pass. It's definitely worth it if you're going to be coming to the Delaware parks a lot. So it's a really nice day out. There's lots of people out running and biking and walking on this path. It's a really great trail for families too because it's flat, and there's a number of bike rental places in both Lewes and Rehoboth. If you want to rent bikes to do this path, you can do that as well if you don't have your own. In the summertime when I come here, there are ibis and egrets and herons everywhere. I'm not seeing that much wildlife today. So you can see it's just this gravel path. You've got all these wetlands and things you bike past. So you can see the water levels are pretty low behind me, and the water levels in Gordon's Pond area are controlled, and they're lowered in the spring and the summertime to help reduce the mosquito populations. I always like biking here because you see all types of bikers. You see people that are all about their time and their kind of professional racing gear, their professional bike. You see families, you see people like me on folding bikes or people with e-bikes, and it's very welcoming and nice place to bike. So as you get closer to the main section of the park, these huge sand dunes start to appear. So I keep trying to put my tripod down and get kind of like creative shots of myself biking by, but the trail is so busy today. Every time I try to do it, people come in the shot and I feel like I'm just annoying people to get my scene. So no really creative shots for you today. It's too beautiful a day and there's too many people out here. So this is Herring Point, and it's one of the most dramatic views in Cape Henlopen State Park. So now I'm just biking back to where I started. I'm almost back to the state park parking lot. What are your thoughts on music when biking out loud with a speaker? I'm usually okay with it unless it's in a park or a nature preserve like this. Like if you're blasting your music biking, not using headphones, you're definitely going to disturb the wildlife and the bird watchers and just the general feeling of the park. So I'm not really cool with that. The wind has picked up now, but that was an awesome bike ride. So great to get out today.